talent and everything.
And she has the passion. That is why napili siya ni Coach
And
Paco
sabi,
ng patuloy.
ikaw daw, sabi ni Coach Shara, yung talaga ramdam na ramdam mo yung song. Ba't nakanta mo na ba dati yung song na yun?
Tainted Love.
No, that was the first time.
Partida
Pero
pa
parang
yun,
nakarelate ka, di ba sabi mo kanina?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nung nabasa ko yung
perfect!
lyrics niya. Medyo,
Push!
ay, alam ko yan.
Oo.
I've been there.
Naramdaman mo na yan. At mamaya, pag-usapan pa natin ang ibang mga kaganapan sa buhay ni Rita and of course, sa kanyang
Pero Sui
bosses.
got, ano, di ba? Got
Stolen.
She got stolen,
Ay,
yeah.
stolen. Stealed.
Stolen by Coach Apple.
Oo.
And unfortunately,
Yun ang difference ng St. Paul QC sa Pasig.
unfortunately, Sui can't make it tonight because of her commitments. Pero makakausap pa natin si Sui in the coming days. Rita, once again, congratulations.
Thank you, Rita!
Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing your story.
Ah, yes.
So
Thank you
next
so
round of the
much.
competition. But right now, while Rita is preparing sa likod and, just taking a rest,
Parts, ano
kausapin
bang,
pa natin.
ano ba ang, ng steal?
Huh?
Ang past tense, stolen.
Stole. Stole. Tapos yung past progressive
Ano yung
niya is
stealed?
stolen.
Wala stealed.
Steal. Hanapin natin.
S-T-I-L-L-E-D.
May ganun, di ba?
Oo, she stealed.
S-T-E-E-L-E-D.
Hindi, may stealed.
Ayun.
S-T-I-L-L-E-D.
Ginawa mong bakal.
No,
Sinortify mo.
S-T-I-L-L-E-D. She was stealed.
Let's think about that
Hindi.
word right
dahil
there.
Ano siya, napatigil siya.
Pero ang tagal naman ng tigil na yun. Past. She stilled.
Paano yun? She was still lang.
She was still. Oh,
Okay.
something like that. Pero ito, hindi na, our hearts cannot be.
I'm so sorry. I'm not Miriam
Wow.
Webster.
Wow.
Okay.
Miriam.
Miriam ba?
Miriam.
Whatever, Rob.
Merinol yan.
I'm not a thesaurus.
Pero ito while we're looking for some words dito lang sa The Voice of the Philippines Online, let's call in the show our third pair dito lang sa The Voice of the Philippines, the battles, si Daniel and si Jason James. Hey, what's up guys?
Hello.
Hey, I see something. Is there a tattoo? What's that tattoo?
Hey,
What
it's
is
my
up?
mother.
What?
What?
It's my mom.
Oh,
What
so
about this
sweet.
one?
It's just parang
Sleeve.
motto in life lang.
Ano yung motto mo in life?
Either find a way or make one.
Just like what you did
Yes.
earlier.
Find a way.
Sabihin na naman sa amin yung tumatapos sa
Sama
isipan
ng
nyo.
tingin mo sa kanya, bakit?
joke lang wala.
Bakit?
Sabi niya sa kanina.
Wala.
Uy.
Galing mo kasi. Eh, magaling ka din naman eh.
May
Hirapan din naman ako.
grudge ba or something?
May galit ka pa rin ba hanggang
Hindi, wala. Actually, wala eh. Wala talaga. Kasi expected ko na kasi sobrang galing talaga.
Hindi.
So from the start of the battles pa lang sinasabi mo na, okay, lugi na to, or
Hindi naman. Actually, ako, syempre, parang, masaya ako kasi jamming ko siya, o nakasama ko siya sa isang song, ganyan. Tapos, syempre, sa part ko naman, matanggal o makuha man, okay lang sa akin. Matanggal ako, okay lang. Kasi syempre, it's part of the show. Kailangan may manalo, kailangan may matanggal. So, okay lang. Parang ganun. Ay, hindi naman may matalo. Matanggal.
but yung pairings ba, wasn't something expected? Parang nung sinasabi niyo ba sa sarili niyo,